Hello everyone, today we will discuss structure of contractile proteins. Structure of contractile proteins. So structure of contractile protein means they are presenting on the skeletal muscles. They are presenting on the skeletal muscles. The skeletal muscles presenting on the muscle fibers. So the muscle fibers contain actin and myosin filaments. So the actin means they are the one protein. So myosin is the so the actin and myosin. So the contractile proteins are actin and myosin. Actin and myosin. So the contractile proteins are the actin and myosin. First one actin. First heading actin. First one actin. So the actin filament. So the actin filament is made up of. So the actin filament is made up of 2 F-actin molecules. Actin filament is made up of 2 F-actin filaments. 2 F-actin filaments. 2 F-actin filaments. The 2 F-actin filaments F means filamentous. So the 2 F-actin filaments wound around each other. So the 2 F-actin filaments. So they are the rounds like so they are the 1 F-actin filaments. So these are the another F-actin filaments. So the F-actin filaments, the actin filaments is made up of 2 F-actin filaments. So one is the 1 F-actin filaments, another one is the another one F-actin filaments. So these 2 F-actin filaments wound around each other. These 2 around each other. So they are the 2 wound around each other. So these 2 F-actin filaments are wound around each other. Next one. So the F-actin filaments is formed by the G globular proteins. F-actin filaments made up of G proteins. G proteins means globular proteins. So they are the only one. So they are the one globular protein. So they are another G protein. So the F-actin filament is made up of globular proteins. G proteins made up of G proteins. The F-actin filament is made up of G filaments, G proteins. G means globular proteins. Next one, these F-actin filaments. So another protein. So they are the tropomyosin. Another protein. Tropomyosin is continued to F-actin filaments. F-actin filaments. So the tropomyosin. So they are the red color line. So the red color is the tropomyosin. So the tropomyosin. So the another protein. So the tropomyosin. So they are continued to the F-actin filaments. The tropomyosin continue to the F-actin filaments. So the tropomyosin is continued to the F-actin filaments. So these tropomyosin also wound around each other. So the tropomyosin also around each other. So the tropomyosin is wound around each other. Tropomyosin also wound around each other. Next one, they contain another protein, troponin. Another one is the troponin. Another one is the troponin. So the troponin is the presenting on the regular intervals. It is presenting on the regular intervals. Is it tropomyosin? Tropomyosin, and it contains a regular intervals. Regular intervals. Arrangement from the regular intervals. So these are the troponin. Troponin contain a 3 types proteins. Troponin contain a 3 types. One is the troponin T, troponin I, troponin C. So the troponin contain a troponin T, troponin I, and troponin C. So they are the 3 types of the proteins from the thin filament. First one, actin. So the actin filament is made up of the 2 F-actin filaments. So the F-actin filaments are made up of the globular proteins. So they are the wound around each other. Next one, they continue to the F-actin filaments containing another protein. The protein name is the tropomyosin. Tropomyosin. Next one, the tropomyosin containing another protein, troponin. The troponin containing 3 proteins: troponin T, troponin I, and troponin C. TN means troponin. Troponin T, troponin I, and troponin C. Next one, the troponin T, binding of tropomyosin. Binding of tropomyosin. Troponin T binding of tropomyosin. Troponin T binding of the tropomyosin. Next one, troponin T inhibits the myosin binding site. Inhibits the myosin binding site. So the troponin I is the inhibits the myosin binding site. Inhibits the myosin binding site. Next one, troponin C. Next one, troponin C. So the troponin C, these are attachment of the calcium ions. Attachment of the calcium ions. So the attachment of the calcium ions. So the troponin is the 3 types: troponin T, troponin I, and troponin C. The troponin T is the binding of the tropomyosin. Next one, troponin I inhibits the myosin binding site. Inhibition of the myosin binding site. Next one, troponin C, calcium ions are the binding attachment of the calcium ions. Next one, so the troponin C. Next one, troponin C cannot binding calcium ions. Troponin C cannot binding calcium ions. So the unmasking. So the masking of myosin binding site of actin filament. So the calcium ions are the does not binding of the troponin C. The calcium ions does not binding the troponin C. So the actin myosin binding site of the actin. So the myosin is the actin. So the actin contain a myosin binding site. So the masking of the myosin binding site of the actin filaments. Masking of myosin binding site. So the actin filament contain a myosin binding sites. So these myosin binding sites are the masking. Calcium ions are does not binding of the troponin C. Troponin C does not binding calcium ions. So the masking of the myosin binding site of actin. Masking of myosin binding site of actin. So the myosin, so they are the myosin head, these actin binding site. So this binding site is binding to the actin filaments. So the calcium ions are does not binding. So the masking of the myosin binding site of actin filament. So the calcium ions are binding from the troponin C. Troponin C, calcium ions are the binding. The troponin C, calcium ions are binding. Calcium ions are the binding. So the myosin binding site are the unmasking. Myosin binding site is unmasking. Myosin binding site is unmasking. So the calcium ions are binding. So the myosin binding site of the actin is unmasking. So the myosin is binding to the actin filaments. So in this region, so the actin, the troponin and tropomyosin. Troponin and tropomyosin. So these proteins are called regulatory proteins. These proteins are called as regulatory proteins. These proteins are called as regulatory proteins because of, so they are the masking and unmasking of the myosin binding site. So they are the contraction and relaxation of the muscle process. So they are controlled by the troponin and tropomyosin. So they are called as regulatory proteins. So they are troponin and tropomyosin is called as regulatory proteins because of masking and unmasking process. So these proteins are called as regulatory proteins. So they are the one protein actin. So the actin contain A. So the actin filaments. So the actin filaments are the one around each other. Next one, these filaments are formed by the globular proteins. So the around the another protein is called tropomyosin. So the tropomyosin contains another protein, troponin. The troponin contains three parts: troponin T, troponin C, troponin I. So they are the actin thin filament. Next one, another one is the myosin. Myosin is the thick filament. Another one is the myosin. Second one, myosin. So the myosin is a motor protein. Myosin is a motor protein. Myosin is a motor protein because of, so the chemical energy. ATP contain chemical energy. ATP contain a chemical energy. So these energy convert a mechanical energy. Mechanical energy. So these are called as motor protein. Myosin is a motor protein because of, so the ATPs presenting on the ATPs contain a chemical energy. The ATPs contain a chemical energy. So the chemical energy is converting to the mechanical energy. Chemical energy is converting to the mechanical energy. So these are called as motor protein. So they are called as motor protein. Next one, so the myosin contain a two filaments. Myosin contain a two meromyosins. Myosin contain a, so they are the myosin. So the myosins are the worn around each other. So the myosins are the worn around each other. The two filaments are the worn around each other. So they are the helix like. So they are the worn around each other. Next one, the myosin contain a myosin contain meromyosins. Many meromyosins. So myosin contain a many meromyosins. Myosin contain a many meromyosins. Myosin contain a many meromyosin. So the meromyosin contain main parts. Main parts. One is the globular head. Globular head with short arm. Short arm or neck. Short arm or neck. So they are the ameromycin. The ameromycin contain two parts, two main parts. One is the head. So these are the head and short arm. Head and short arm. And second one is the tail. Second one, tail. So they are the ameromycin. So the ameromycin contain two main parts. One is the head and short arm. Second one is the tail. Head and short arm and tail. Next one, head and short arm is called as head and short arm is called heavy meromycin. Heavy meromycin. HMM means heavy meromycin. Tail is called as light meromycin. Tail is called as light meromycin. Tail is called as light meromycin. Next one, short arm. They contain a flexible. Short arm is a flexible. Arm means neck. Neck is a flexible. Flexible means, so they are moving from the right side, back side and front side. They are moving from the front and back side. So they are the neck contain a flexible. Neck is the flexible part. So the neck is the flexible part because of, so these are head is moving this side and this side. So they are the move and back, front and back side, front and back side. So they are the moving. So the neck regions are the helps from the moving from the head. Next one, so the thick filament, they contain a meromycin. The meromycin contain a two binding sites. Meromycin head contain a two binding sites. Head contain two binding sites. Two binding sites. One is a ATP binding site. One is the ATP binding site. Another one is the myosin actin binding site. Another one is the actin binding site. Actin binding site. So the head contain a two binding sites. Head contain two binding site. One is the actin binding site. Another one is the actin binding site. Another one is the ATP binding site. So these are the ATP binding site. So these are the ATP binding site. Actin binding site. Another one is the ATP binding site. Actin binding site and ATP binding site. Next one. So the myosin. Just example, a rough diagram. So these are the actin. Actin means thin filaments. Thin filaments. So next one, thick filaments. So these are the thick filament. So the thick filaments, half of the meromycin presenting on the heads. So the half of the heads presenting on the one Z line. So these are the Z line. So these are the another one Z line. So they are called as sarcomere. Sarcomere. So these are the sarcomere. So the middle one presenting on the M line. These are the M line. So these are the Z line. So the meromycins, one thick band presenting on the many meromycins. So the half of the meromycins presenting on the one side of the Z line. Half of the meromycins presenting on the one Z line. So the half of the meromycins presenting on the opposite Z line from the same sarcomere. One sarcomere means the space between the two successive Z lines. The two Z lines, this space is called as sarcomere. So in this sarcomere presenting on the thick filaments and thin filaments. So the thick filaments contain a head and tails. So this region is the tail. So they are the head. So the half of the meromycin is presenting on the one Z line side. So the half of the meromycin presenting on the another Z line side. So these heads binding to the thin filaments. So these thin filaments are the moving from the contraction, helps from the contraction of muscle. So the tail, so the all the myosins tail presenting on the M line side. All the myosin tail, all the myosin tails. So they are the tail regions. So the head is, these are the head. So these are the tail. So these are the head. So these are the tail. So the 50% of the meromycin presenting on the one Z line. So the another 50% of the Z line presenting, another 50% of the myosin presenting on the opposite Z line. So the heads are presenting on the Z line side, tails are presenting on the M line. Tails are presenting on the M line. So these are helps from the contraction of muscles. So the actin and myosin, these two proteins is called as contractile proteins. So these are helps from the muscle contraction. These are helps from the muscle contraction. So they are the thick filament myosin. So the myosin contain a three parts: head, neck and tail. Head region contain a two binding site, actin binding site and ATP binding site. And short arm, the short arm is a flexible. So they are the moving from the sides, front and back sides. Next one, tail. So they are presenting on the long tail. So they are the actin and myosin filaments are contractile proteins.